Methodologies in Dradis are essentially task lists that enable your team to keep on track of what sort of tasks need to be checked off as a project is underway. So we have a sample methodology here. And then you can see that a methodology is made up of lists and tasks. Of course, you can add new lists or you can add new tasks. When adding a task, just give it a name, assign it a due date if that's relevant, insert the data for the task itself, such as, for example, the procedure to be followed. And then you can also assign it to team members that are added to this project. So here is a sample task here. Then, of course, if a task moves along from one list to another, you can just click and drag it over. You can also move lists depending on what's most appropriate for your workflow. Of course, you can also create new methodologies. So you can create blank methodologies, or you can create methodologies from templates. So in this case, we'll just add a blank methodology. We'll call it test. And this creates 3 lists. You can, of course, edit, rename, or remove them. And then you can start adding tasks to this methodology. And you can delete them if you don't want them in your project anymore. Methodologies inside the Methodologies section lets you add methodologies on a whole project basis. But you can also add methodologies to specific nodes. For example, you might have a testing methodology that you want to go through for each separate node to make sure that you follow each of the steps for all of the nodes in your project. So to add a methodology to a node, just browse to the node itself. Then you have a tab specifically for methodologies here. Click on that tab, and then you can add a methodology the same way as you would add it inside the methodologies section itself. So now we've added this same testing methodology here in the methodology tab of this specific node. This way, this per node methodology is kept separate from the project methodology. So as far as methodology templates, you can see the ones that you have here under templates methodologies. You can add new templates here, or you can edit the existing templates. In either case, you'll end up with a pane like this, where you can insert the XML for the methodology template. So then you'll need a name, and then you'll need some boards and some tasks. Dradis also has several methodology templates available for download on the Dradis users portal. So you can see them here under the users portal's resources section under testing methodologies.